To begin, visit the secure portal using the link in the email you received, or by visiting crossplans.com and selecting Login in the upper right-hand corner. Your username will be the email that CrossPlans has on file for you. If you've never accessed the secure portal before, you can create an account by clicking the First Time User link and entering your email address. You can also reset your password using the Forgot Password option. If you already have an account, simply enter your password and select Sign In. Once you've logged into the site, you'll see a list of active tasks. From here, select Begin Task to the right of the Cycle 3 Document Data Collection task. If there's a plan amendment or change you've been hoping to make, indicate this by selecting Yes to the first question and including a brief description of the change you'd like to make in the text box below. Your plan consultant will reach out to you to review these changes before we finalize your document. If you do not wish to make any changes, other than those required by law or included as defaults in the restatement, you can select No in the drop-down menu and leave the text box blank. As you will see indicated in the questionnaire, we're now offering two different ways to pay your restatement fees. You can pay for the restatement on its own in full prior to receiving your restated document, or you can subscribe to a $500 annual fee that covers both the restatement and one plan amendment per year. This will also cover future restatements required by law. If you elect to pay the restatement fee in full, forfeitures can be used to cover or offset the cost of your plan's restatement. Select Yes if you would like us to apply any available forfeitures to the plan's restatement fees. Select No if you'd prefer to reserve any available forfeitures for your annual billing or to reduce an employer contribution in the future. Final decisions on plan amendments and billing structure should be approved by a plan trustee. The last step in the questionnaire is to confirm that these selections have been reviewed with your plan's trustee or that you, as the trustee, have made these selections yourself. It is also important to note that once we prepared the document, it will be sent to plan trustees and sponsors for electronic signature using Adobe eSign. If you believe we may need updated email addresses for these individuals or would prefer to print and sign your document, please notify your CrossPlans consultant or leave a note on the final step of this process. Now that the questionnaire is complete, hit Save at the bottom of the questionnaire to move on to the next step. On the Collection Items step, there's a place to upload any documents you may want to submit to CrossPlans at this time. For most plans, there will be no documents to submit, and you can click Save and move on to the final step. The final step of this process is to sign and submit the data. You can add any notes that you'd like us to receive on this page prior to submitting. Finally, click Sign and Submit to enter your name and email address before formally submitting your data to CrossPlans for further review. Once we've received your data, we will send your restatement bill or supplemental engagement agreement materials as needed and begin working on preparing your Cycle 3 document. If you have any questions not covered in this tutorial, please let your plan consultant know and we will be happy to assist.